The new Peterbilt Model 589 is a force to be reckoned with. It's the ultimate reward for hard work and the perfect truck for the premium trucker. With its sleek lines, powerful engine, and luxurious interior, the Model 589 is sure to turn heads. The Model 589 is built to last, and it comes with a variety of features that help to keep it on the road. This includes a rugged powertrain, a durable chassis, and easy-to-service components. Model 589 is designed to provide a quiet, comfortable ride. This is due in part to its spacious cab, which is well insulated and equipped with comfortable seats. The Model 589 is powered by a choice of two efficient engines, the MX-13 and the X-15. These engines are paired with a variety of transmissions, including the Eaton RT and FR manual, TX12/Endurant, TX18/Endurant XD, or Allison 4000/4500/4700. Model 589 pays homage to the classic Peterbilt styling with its low long hood, distinct wraparound crown, triple grille bars, and 15-inch air cleaners with dual straps. The 2024 Model 589's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It features rich colors and decadent materials, such as deep bullwood accented with the bright metal scripted and speared Peterbilt logo. There are also rich supple leather accents on the door, steering wheel, and seats. Wider cab allows for improved entry to the sleeper and improved three-person seating in the day cab. The cab has also been lowered by 2 full inches, compared to the Model 579 and Model 567, giving the Model 589 a more aggressive stance, easier ingress and egress for drivers, and improved clearance to overcab bodies. Doors are triple sealed, which helps to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness. They also have power locks and windows. Model 589 is available in 2 trim levels, Premier and Platinum. The Premier trim level includes all of the standard features, plus a few extras, such as a passenger-side pull-out writing table and larger cup holders. The Platinum trim level includes all of the features of the Premier trim level, plus even more extras, such as a luxury mattress and a leather-wrapped steering wheel.